This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Plug in the Dell and connect to Wi-Fi so nothing interrupts setup. Once connected, open Windows Settings and go to Accounts, or launch your browser and navigate to Account. Microsoft.com. You need either an email address or phone number to register. Pick whichever you control and have handy. When you click Create Account, enter that email or number, pick a strong password, and provide basic info. Do this now so verification codes and recovery options work immediately, and you don't lose access later. Once you've submitted your chosen email or phone, check for the verification code and enter it promptly. Codes often expire within minutes. After verification, make sure to enable two-step verification for stronger security and add a recovery email or phone so you can regain access if you forget your password. If you have subscriptions like Office or Xbox, link them now to centralized services. These steps reduce account lockouts and let Windows sync settings. Make sure to review privacy choices as you proceed to control data sharing. Sign into Windows on your Dell with the new Microsoft account so syncing, OneDrive, and Microsoft Store access activate immediately. Once signed in, open Settings to adjust sync, privacy, and OneDrive choices to match how you want files and preferences shared across devices. If something fails, first check internet connectivity, then use the password reset or recovery options you added earlier. Recovery codes or alternate email often resolve issues quickly. If verification messages don't arrive, retry sending the code and check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.